No, we don't have anything for you. Oh,
It is up to us to be guardians of our own natural world, save our wild species, and provide a home.
Between a male and a female elephant, and Mac has just taken my hat and now has gone into his mouth.
Come get us.
My phone's on the Wait. No. Her phone. The elephant's eating her phone.